Hello and happy Wednesday. Welcome to my Facebook Live. My name is Ali Goff. I am the owner of Goff Legal. We are a full service estate planning, probate, trust administration. We also do conservatorships and a few guardianships. Attorney located in California. We do these Facebook Lives to give some information to our potential clients, to our referral partners, to our actual clients. And today's topic is actionable steps of how to avoid probate. I was thinking about this, and hear me out. The best way to avoid probate is don't die. Problem solved. If you don't die, you don't have a probate. Okay, so second thing you can do, which because you probably can't avoid not dying, you have to die, that's the thing, and I'm sorry about that, is don't die with any money. Also, problem solved. No probate because you don't probate what you don't have. I just sort of, but it's your stuff. Why not use it? You should enjoy it. You've worked really hard for your assets. Spend it. Give it to the people you love. Now, if it turns out you need that money and you aren't sure when you're going to die, because, we don't actually get to know those sorts of things, generally speaking, you can actually, here's some actual things you can do other than, laugh at your lawyer on Facebook Live, is check every single one of your accounts. Do you have a bank account, checking account, savings account, brokerage account, 401k, IRA, any of those accounts, anything with an investment in it or cash in it or a CD or a money market, there are beneficiaries you can list for free on all of those accounts. And the way it works in California is if you have a beneficiary listed on the account, when you die, that beneficiary can go collect those accounts. Problem solved. Literally, actual problem solved. No probate. Because we only probate things in California that are not in trust and don't have beneficiaries. So one of the ways to avoid probate is make sure that all of your accounts have beneficiaries. And again, like I said, that's free. You don't need me. You don't need any fancy lawyer to go taking care of that. And hopefully when you opened your bank accounts, your banker said, who would you like to be a beneficiary of this? If not, go online right now, see if you can update them online, and if not, contact your banker and get those updated ASAP. Second thing you can do, because not everything has a beneficiary. Real property, no beneficiary. Business assets, no beneficiary. Those sorts of things, you will want to get a trust. A lot of people in California end up with trusts. Why? Because the probate process in California is so irritating. We are filing to close a probate right now, and we filed it, I think, 2 weeks ago, and our hearing is in January. So even though the process is done and the decedent has been gone for several years now, the beneficiaries still don't get their money, even though no one's fighting. There's no fighting at all. They're not going to get their money until the court approves our petition in January. So, ouch. Many counties, especially due to COVID, have extended the timelines for filing. All right, the other thing you can do with the trust is make sure that real property, houses, investment homes, cabins, any interest in real property is actually transferred without a probate process is through a trust. So you can get a trust, California, we can create those for you, and you can say, if I die, here's where this stuff goes, and if that person's not around, here's who it goes, and you can have all sorts of fun things in there that outline your wishes to make sure you get exactly what you want. And not have the court decide, because if you don't have a will or a trust, California has an estate plan for you. We, the state of California, have determined where your stuff goes, and you might not like it. Because it's your heirs. And what if you don't like your heirs? What if you're not best friends with your siblings? What if you don't think your parents need the money? What if your kids are little jerks and you don't want to leave them any money? You can make sure you have the beneficiaries you want with a trust and or a will. So that's the other thing you want to deal with. And if anyone listening, now or later, has a business, there's no beneficiary on businesses. So again, you want to make sure that the things you've worked really hard to create don't go through the probate process. One of the other things you can have is joint tenancy. So if you're married and you own a bank account and your spouse is a joint owner of that account, when you die, they will automatically get, we lost some connection. Hopefully y'all heard that. Okay, I'll finish up here. If for some reason you have a joint owner account, that avoids probate too. I caution you, if you have children, do not list your children as a joint account on any of your major big assets. Why? Because if they get sued, then they can come and get your stuff. Don't do that. Create a power of attorney and or a trust, protect your assets, and leave them for your heirs if that is what you want to do. So those are my actionable steps to avoiding probate. If you have questions or concerns and would like to avoid probate and you have assets or you live in the state of California, we can help you. Our website is gofflegal.com. My name is Ali and it's been a pleasure. And if you have any questions, please message me. We respond to our messages. You can also email us, info@gofflegal. And I think next time we're going to be doing a little dive into what it's like to work with our office. All right, talk to you later. Bye.